Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as expected, we got to see some crazy moves right after NFP. If you have observed the market on NFP time or during the NFP time, probably you saw that market was not responding well right after the news because the data was mixed. If you look at the data, then you will see that expectation was around 193k jobs, but employers added a humongous number, 339k jobs, which was very good for dollar. But the problem was in the unemployment rate. The previous unemployment rate was 3.4% and the expectation was around 3.5%, but the number came out to be 3.7%. So it was a mixed news, because of which right after the market opening, though dollar went up, okay, again it came down also. So within first 30 minutes, it was very difficult for us to understand which direction the market would be moving because of the mixed result. But ultimately, because of this humongous number, we got to see a very bullish dollar. We got dollar almost making high of 104.09, and ultimately DXY or dollar closed at 104.04. And we can see that market recovered beautifully, and there's a high chance that DXY will continue the uptrend next week as well. So the market opening will be very important, and there's a high chance that dollar DXY will try to continue the upside. If that happens, then obviously we will get to see pressure on the chart of Euro USD. And in case DXY shows some red candles right after the market opening, do not consider it as a trend reversal, because after this kind of a sharp move, obviously taking some rest is quite natural. So if dollar comes for some retracement, observe DXY around 103.8085 level. High chance that after taking some rest, after some retracement, DXY will bounce back again. So this is all about DXY for Monday. DXY is bullish right now, keep that in mind. Now Euro USD. So Euro USD witnessed heavy selling. Okay, to be honest, when the news came out, I had a sell position around this level here, but as the data was mixed, I was not expecting a big fall because market was not giving me some clear signs, so I exited quickly. But market ultimately closed at 1.0706. So let's try to find out the trading opportunities. I'm not trying to predict the direction of the market for the next couple of weeks and months, because I do not have the knowledge. I do not have the knowledge and potential to do that. I'm a day trader, I'm a hardcore day trader. So in this video, I'll be trying to explain the levels where I think we have the next trading opportunities. As I always say, my dear friends, be a trader, not a gambler. So follow proper risk management and trade according. So let's get started. So let's switch to the 1 hour time chart of Euro USD. So first of all, we have used FIBO here. Okay, we have used Fibonacci here. And why Fibonacci? Because we can see that when market came to FIBO 23.6, market tried to respect it. When market came to FIBO 38.2, market tried to respect it. And ultimately, Euro USD closed at FIBO 50% retracement level. Because of the influence of the news, though market broke it, but we could see that market was trying to respect each and every Fibonacci level. So definitely we can expect that market will try to take some support on Monday as well. But the market opening will decide, because during the weekend, many other developments can also influence the direction of the market. So right after the market opening, if you see that Euro USD is going down, you can take a sell position. Okay, you can take a sell position, but probably you know it very well that in this market situation, after a sharp fall, it is always better and safer to take a sell at retracement only. And as the present trend of the market is very much under the dominance and influence of sellers, it is safer and better to take a sell position only. Because what is the present trend of the market? The present trend of the market is very much towards the downside. So as a result, we should be looking for sell positions only. So right after the market opening, we can look for a sell position. If we see that dollar is showing upside, euro USD under pressure, you can look for a sell below 1.0700 level. Okay, and the next support, okay, the next support on the chart of euro USD is around 1.0690 to 1.0684. This is the next support on the chart of euro USD. Why? Because we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and most importantly, around 1.0684, market has shown extreme price rejection previously. So definitely we can expect that buyers are present around this area. If market takes support around this area, we can look for a buy position. Switch to 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and just see. If market shows price rejection from it, it's a confirmation that buyers are present, and you can look for a buy position as well. If not a complete trend reversal, at least you can expect 20 to 25 pips in this market scenario. So the opening of the market will be very, very important, because usually we do not get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. So if we get a typical normal Monday market, okay, then you can expect the market to take support, because usually we do not have much volatility or volume. But if you see that market shows a crazy side, market is falling, then obviously you should use your common sense and avoid taking a buy position. But if market shows sell, you can also consider a sell below this level as well, below 1.0700. if market breaks this level with good amount of volume. Okay, and as I said earlier, that in this market situation scenario, okay, taking a sell position at retracement is always safer and better. Means sell on rise is the best strategy that you can follow. Probably you have heard me saying many times. So in this market, we can expect some sell opportunity around these areas. So again, you can see that I have drawn Fibonacci here in this particular portion of the market here. Let me zoom out. So after the market opening, if Euro USD tries to recover, listen to me carefully, if Euro USD tries to recover, obviously you should avoid any buy position, because considering the trend of the market, okay, market is under pressure, so it is better to avoid. If any news comes out during the weekend, then that's a different thing. But right now we don't have any news that is positive for Euro USD. So if market shows some recovery also, it will be a temporary recovery, and you should wait for the market to reverse from the retracement level. First level is 1.0720 to 1.0725. This is the first retracement level, because we have Fibonacci here, and probably we will also have the 200 moving average around this area. If market goes up, observe the market around this area. If you see that market is struggling, market is showing price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, sellers are present and you can take a sell. On the other hand, if market shows a big green candle during the first half, then obviously you should avoid. Then wait for the market to reverse from the second resistance here, that is 1.0732. Around 1.0732, 1.073330 level, we have good resistance, and in this market scenario, definitely we can expect some price rejection from above. If market reverses according to our expectations, we can take a sell. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. Considering the present downtrend here, okay, so sell on rise is the best trading strategy. So if market shows recovery right after the market opening, take a sell position on these levels if market reverses. But right after the market opening, if market shows downside selling pressure, a continuation of the selling pressure, we can also look for a sell here as well. We have a temporary support around 1.0684 level. You can consider a temporary buy around this area for 20-25 pips if market shows price rejection. So market opening will be very important, just to understand what is the volatility. As we all know, volatility of the market plays a big role. So let's wait and watch. And as I always say, my dear friends, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I am also a trader like you. So never gamble with your hard-earned money. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye-bye. Take care. Enjoy the weekend. Have fun. Spend some quality time with your family.